Someone walks up to your desk. Hey, how was your weekend?
I know that question, every word of it.
So?
So I opened my mouth and it was, good. Yeah, good. That's it. Whole answer.
And they're just standing there.
Waiting. And afterward, I'm like, did that sound bored? Did I seem like I didn't want to talk to them?
Over, how was your weekend?
I could have answered that in my head, easy. Someone's actually in front of me? Gone.
Same thing happens with a manager, though. Worse, honestly.
Yeah, that one sticks. That's the one they remember.
Right. I do this too, by the way, Edward.
Loren, English podcast? Wait, you do this?
Meeting last week. Manager asked what I thought about the timeline. I knew my answer. Started saying it one way, stopped, tried to say it smarter. Lost the whole thread.
In front of your manager?
In front of my manager. Sat there after like, why couldn't I just say it?
Okay, that helps a little. Doesn't feel great in the moment, though.
No. So maybe it's not that my English is bad.
Let's actually find out. Answer me for real. What do you think about the new project?
Oh, I think the project's... No, that's not... I mean, the timeline was... Hold on.
Yeah, there it is.
I could feel myself doing it while it was happening.
Same thing I did in that meeting.
So, what is that?
What was actually going on in there?
I wasn't even thinking about the project anymore. It was just, this is coming out wrong. Fix it now.
Kind of like two jobs at once.
2 jobs?
Answering me and watching yourself answer me.
And the second one's what wrecks it.
Probably, yeah. The words are there somewhere. He just can't grab them fast enough.
I've practiced how was your weekend before. Still froze last week.
Out loud or in your head?
In my head, mostly.
There's your answer. Knowing it and saying it under pressure, not really the same skill.
Okay, fine. So what do I do?
Stop building a whole new sentence every time. Use a frame.
Like, memorize one?
No, opposite.
Then what?
Pretty blank, I mostly blank.
That's it?
Pretty relaxing, I mostly stayed home. Pretty busy, I mostly worked. Same shape, different week.
So it's a skeleton, not a script.
That's exactly it.
Your actual weekend. Go.
Pretty busy, mostly caught up on stuff around the house.
That came out easy.
It's a start, not the whole thing.
Okay, but what if I blank on the frame, right when I need it? Wait, you don't have an answer for that?
Give me a sec.
Okay, now who's freezing?
Fair. No, I don't think it's about never forgetting the frame. It's what you do the second after.
Which is?
Say something while you think, instead of going quiet. Let me think for a second. Good question. Give me a sec.
Feels too small to actually help.
Maybe it's not about sounding impressive, just buying yourself a second instead of standing there.
People do this constantly, though. Let's see.
Constantly. Not weakness, just how people talk.
All right, let's find out if it holds up.
I'll be your coworker. Hey, how was your weekend?
It was, good? Yeah, good.
That's the freeze. Now both tools.
Oh, let me think for a sec. Pretty relaxing. Mostly stayed home. You?
Already different.
Didn't have to build that from nothing.
Harder? Do you have a minute?
I hate this one. No idea what's coming.
Old way?
Yeah, okay. Already sounds nervous.
New way. Sure, 1 sec. Let me finish this. Then, sure, what's up?
That sounds like someone in control. Even if inside, I'm just as nervous.
They don't know everything you're feeling.
That's actually kind of a relief.
Last one. This is the one that actually matters. Manager, what would you change about the project?
Oh, wasn't ready for that. I think maybe... Wait, what was the frame? I think it's... No.
You lost it.
Give me a sec. Okay, I think it's mostly working. especially the part where we cut the timeline.
There it is.
I actually forgot the frame. Still got there.
You didn't memorize that.
No, I lost it, and I still had somewhere to land.
Not that you never lose it.
That I don't disappear when I do.
Honestly, I think I've been treating every hesitation like I failed. Watching you just now, I don't think it is one.
So what is it?
Just a second you needed. That's it.
Huh. I think you needed to hear that as much as I did.
Yeah, probably.
Can I say something though? When I freeze like that, I start wondering if it's my accent. Like maybe that's what people actually notice.
That's not really the same thing, though.
Feels connected. Worry about the grammar, then how I sound, then is it the accent?
You can have an accent and still be completely clear. Having one doesn't mean you don't know English.
So I've been blaming my English this whole time.
Maybe just what happens to it under pressure.
I might already know more than I can reach when I'm nervous.
You don't need perfect English.
I just need somewhere to start.
One thing this doesn't fix, though: phone calls.
Oh, don't. That one's worse.
Why?
No face. Can't tell if they're done talking or just breathing.
Try this. Sorry, I missed that last part. Buys you a second. Doesn't sound rude. Huh. That's actually usable. Doesn't solve the whole thing, though. How do you even know when it's your turn if you can't see their face?
Yeah, whole different problem.
Next time.
I lost it, and I still had somewhere to land.
That's really the whole thing.
If this hit close to home, hit subscribe. This is exactly the kind of stuff we talk about.
And honestly, try it this week. Just one frame, one pause phrase. See what happens.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Just somewhere to start.
Next time, phone calls.
The one you've all been dreading.